Grind hard consistently.
Nobody gonna
That
put in
is
the
the
work for you.
only way you are going to achieve genuine results. Now, before I get into this video, I want to say, if you do not want to achieve anything in your life, if you are absolutely content with living an average life and staying where you are right now, I would suggest that you do not watch this video. Now, when I say grind hard, that means going out of your comfort zone. In order to grow, you must get comfortable being uncomfortable. That is how you make changes in your life. Let that sink in. Now, another thing you will need to do in order to get whatever you are trying to achieve is letting go of distractions. Distractions is anything or one taking your attention away from your priorities.
Let's go.
There are many forms of distractions, but the one I'm going to speak on in this video is people. Now, unless you are surrounded with people who are dedicated to working hard on their craft all the time, you are going to need to separate yourself. When your friends want to sit around and play video games, when your friends just want to go out to smoke weed, you need to have the strength to fight the temptation and say no. I made a commitment to myself. I have work that needs to get done. Know that the more you break old habits and get away from distractions, the more those habits and distractions will try to suck you back in, begging you for your energy. I promise you. But do not be discouraged, for as those distractions and old habits become more tempting, you are also becoming stronger and more resistant to these temptations at the same time. It will never be easy, but it will always be possible. All of these things I speak of take practice. Most will not immediately achieve these kinds of disciplines. You will make mistakes. Mistakes are an inevitable, essential part of the process. So do not criticize yourself for mistakes. Mistakes are not failure. Giving up is failure. So expect to make mistakes. But if you truly desire to make your vision a reality, it is crucial that you get back up and keep pushing. Just like in this clip right here and the one before. I fell, but I got back up and I kept pushing. Every day you have to tell yourself, I'm going to put in work today. I'm going to embrace the adversity and push through it. And if you do that, every day you will get closer to that thing that you are trying to achieve. So accept your mistakes, because you cannot change the past no matter how hard you try. And keep working.
To spend no money. If you have your body weight and you have a little bit of space around you, a little bit is all you need, for real, man. If you have your body weight, some space, and some determination, y'all can get it in, man. So this was just to show y'all, all y'all need is this and your body weight to get it in. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Hope y'all enjoy. Gonna stop the video. Keep working.